What's up guys, this is Bryce with Dust Runners Automotive Journal, and right now we're going to head over to Scottsdale Cars and Coffee, and then later today we will probably be installing a Boomba blow-off valve or bypass valve spacer on my car. Side note, this is the first video with my new iPhone as well as my new gimbal, so make sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you liked how this video came out. What's up guys, here we are a couple hours later, or 6 or 7 hours later, back at home. We're going to install this Boomba blow-off valve spacer on my car, so let's see how this goes. Alright, so after a quick run to Harbor Freight, I grabbed the right tool, got all 3 bolts off, got the stock bypass valve is off. And for anybody at home who's doing this, do not try and use just a standard Allen key. You're gonna hate your life. Seriously, don't do this. Let's throw the blow-off valve spacer on and put it back on. There we go guys. It's a little hard to see all the way in there, but blow-off valve spacer is installed. I just test fired it. Nothing is broken. So let's go test drive this thing and see how it sounds. Alright guys, here we go. First drive. Let's see how this thing is. Do launch control just so you can hear the sound of the exhaust plus the blow-off valve spacer. Here we go. What's up guys, I got all the way through this video and realized I didn't make an outro, so be sure to hit that thumbs up button if you like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.